Welcome to Small Steps. My name is Seth Potts, and I'd like to show you how to use text-to-columns when you have delimited data. A delimiter is a symbol or space which separates the data you wish to split. In this example, our delimited data is in the form of an address. It has both spaces and commas in it. Say we want to remove the city and state, but want to keep the street number and street name only. What we could do is highlight that field, and on your Data tab up here, you come over to Text-to-Columns. When this opens up, it gives you the options for delimited and fixed width. Since we know that the comma is the breaking point that we want, it is a delimited type. On this next screen, the common delimiters are listed here. Tabs, semicolon, comma, space, and then a spot for other. Other could be forward slashes, backslashes, quotation marks, anything like that that would be common in your data that you'd want a breaking point at. For this data, we have both spaces and commas. Now down here we do have a preview of the data and what it would look like with each of those. So if we wanted to just kind of see and play around with how we want this broken out, we can click on that space and it'll show that breakdown of where those are. So we could break this out into multiple columns from that. For this, I think we want the street number and name, so we're going to go back and check where that comma is. So as you can see, this is what we're looking for right here, and these are the two other groups that we're going to get rid of. On this next tab, it'll have a section to choose the data format you want for it. Defaults all these to general. You'll see there's three sections down here where we have the breaks. I'm going to keep the one we want for general. The other two, we're going to use this do not import. You select that for each of them, and one thing to note is this destination. This is referring to where it's going to copy this data to. It will default to what you have selected here, so it will overwrite everything you have. Say you want to set it on the next column over just so you could have your original data and then what you've broken down, you can do that. Highlight and delete that, and then just select where you want that to start. And the way that works is that is the start for these. So if we kept both of these as well and didn't skip them, it would start with this first column where we put this, and then every other column after that. So when we select what we want, and we will click Finish, and you can see here it has pulled out just that section that we want. If you found this tutorial helpful and would like to see more, click the like and subscribe below and be on the lookout for more videos. Next one coming up will be the text to columns with the fixed width data. Look forward to seeing you then.